Hey, what's up? I just had a question. Everybody, especially here in Hawaii, knows that pretty much the Filipino alarm clock is the rooster. But did you know that they have a special rooster for gay Filipino people? No bullshit. As a matter of fact, I have a recording of one right now. Would you like to hear it? Yeah, I knew you would. The regular rooster in the morning is like all fucking morning. Well, imagine living by a gay Filipino and all you have to hear in the morning is any cockadoo! Any cockadoo! All fucking morning.